Cheap, precise, devastating. It's not from a superpower, but from a country rewriting the rules of warfare, Turkey. The Bayraktar TB2 has changed the battlefield more than any other drone in recent history. But what makes it so deadly, so effective, and so revolutionary? From Libya to Ukraine, the TB2 has shifted military strategies, toppled armored divisions, and empowered nations previously lacking air power. Today, we take a deep dive into the drone that's rewriting modern war. The Bayraktar TB2 Unmanned Combat Aerial Vehicle, UCAV, has reached a significant milestone with the successful completion of its second test flight, now powered by the domestically developed TM100 engine. Created by BR and integrated entirely within Turkey's national infrastructure, this new engine represents a major step toward technological self-sufficiency in the defense sector. Selçuk Bayraktar, a leading figure in the project, confirmed the successful flight through his official social media, highlighting the achievement as another key chapter in Turkey's UAV journey. The Bayraktar TB2 is already recognized as the world's most requested and widely produced tactical class UCAV. What sets it apart is its fully indigenous development, from the airframe and avionics to the flight control systems and software, all crafted in Turkey. Previously powered by imported engines, the switch to the TM100 marks a pivotal transition toward reducing dependency on foreign components, especially critical in the face of international sanctions and supply chain risks. The TM100 engine, which runs on an internal combustion piston system, is a product of collaborative innovation led by BR's in-house engineering team and supported by more than 40 Turkish companies, most of which are part of the Sayı Istanbul defense ecosystem. This coalition spans the entire Anatolian region and contributed to every element of the engine's design, development, and manufacturing. Among the key contributors are notable firms such as Parson for crank forging, Limak for gear systems, Estes for camshafts, Sananka for connecting rods, and Oddsgate. Technologically, the TM100 stands as a benchmark in its class. It features advanced engineering like triple redundant engine control units, a modular powertrain, and an innovative thermal regulation system, ensuring both performance and durability under combat conditions. The Bayraktar TB2's successful test flight with the TM100 engine took place over the skies of Tekirdağ, signaling the engine's readiness for operational deployment. The significance of this development goes beyond mere performance. It represents a strategic shift in Turkey's defense posture. By replacing critical components with domestically produced alternatives, the country not only ensures its operational independence, but also strengthens its defense export capabilities. The Bayraktar TB2, already proven in numerous combat scenarios across multiple regions, is now backed by an engine that is as Turkish as the platform itself, making it a symbol of national resilience and engineering excellence. The TM100 engine represents not just a leap in aerospace engineering, but also a shining example of how cross-sector cooperation can lead to strategic breakthroughs. One of the key technical advantages of the TM100 is its sophisticated thermal management system, designed to regulate engine temperature during extended flight missions. This ensures consistent fuel efficiency and significantly prolongs the engine's operational lifespan, an essential factor for unmanned aerial vehicles operating in high-stress combat environments. Behind this engineering triumph lies a tightly coordinated national effort. The success of the TM100 would not have been possible without the contributions of a wide network of local industries, each playing a crucial role in the engine's development. Under the umbrella of Sayı Istanbul, dozens of Turkish companies from across Anatolia came together, forming a resilient industrial backbone for the project. Among the most critical contributors was Parson, tasked with producing the crankshaft, a key component in transmitting mechanical energy from the engine's pistons. Parson's precision forging capabilities ensured that the crankshaft met the rigorous demands of strength and reliability under combat conditions. Limbs provided the high-performance gear system, essential for efficient power transmission and rotational balance within the engine. Their exacting standards were crucial in achieving the TM100's superior mechanical responsiveness. Meanwhile, Estes, renowned for its camshaft production, delivered the precision-engineered components that control the valve timing, vital for optimal engine breathing and combustion efficiency. Another significant contributor was Chinanka, a specialist in manufacturing connecting rods, which are responsible for transferring motion from the piston to the crankshaft. Given their constant exposure to high loads and speeds, these parts had to be exceptionally strong and durable, qualities Chinanka delivered without compromise. Oddsgate, responsible for casting the engine's cylinder block, supplied the structural heart of the TM100. Using cutting-edge casting methods and premium materials, they ensured the engine could withstand extreme thermal and pressure environments, qualities critical to high-altitude and long-endurance flight operations. Collectively, these companies transformed the TM100 from a technical ambition into a national success story. More than just a mechanical achievement, this engine is a powerful symbol of Turkey's growing self-reliance in defense technologies. Its modular design enables adjustments to be made based on specific mission environments, whether operating in the sweltering heat of desert terrain or the sub-zero conditions of mountainous regions. The successful flight test of the Bayraktar TB2 powered by the TM100 is expected to usher in a new era for Turkey's drone capabilities. It marks a pivotal step toward a fully indigenous drone ecosystem, where everything, from airframe and avionics to propulsion systems, is designed, built, and refined entirely within Turkey. This level of autonomy not only enhances operational flexibility, but also strengthens national security in an increasingly complex global defense landscape. Combat footage from Libya, Syria, Nagorno-Karabakh, Ukraine. Where it really shines is in actual conflict. The TB2 has become the weapon of choice in modern hybrid warfare. 2020 Nagorno-Karabakh War. Key role in Azerbaijan's swift victories. Libya, decimated Haftar's forces and air defenses. Syria, critical strikes against regime units. Ukraine, early success against Russian convoys and air defenses. It proved that for underdog nations, drones like the TB2 offer air superiority without needing jets. The TB2 isn't just a weapon, it's a diplomatic tool. Exported to over 30 countries. First NATO country to buy, Poland. Widely used by Ukraine, with crowdfunding efforts to purchase more, Iran. No weapon is perfect. The TB2 has limitations, especially against advanced electronic warfare and air defense systems. Vulnerable to advanced radar and SAMs, limitations in range and bandwidth, evolving with Akıncı and Kızılelma drones. But it's evolving fast, and still cheap enough to swarm in numbers. It's helped Turkey build influence from Africa to Eastern Europe and put Turkish defense on the global map. In an age where high-tech wars seemed reserved for superpowers, the Bayraktar TB2 gave everyone a seat at the table. Subscribe for more military innovation deep dives.